Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. We're taking a look at one of the single axle trailers that we'll have ready for our demo day on July 27th here with Mossmatic on the road. So what we're looking at right now is a 3,000 PSI 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer with a 60 PSI 7 gallon a minute soft wash system. So up front here you can see the hose reels. Little limited visibility from the front of the trailer, but from the rear you'll be able to get a better look at everything. So starting at the top here, we have a 1/2 inch soft wash hose. There's 200 feet on this reel. We have 200 feet of the high pressure hose and 100 feet of the 3/4 inch Flexzilla inlet hose. And those are all on the Titan stacking hose reels. Up front here, we've got a drain hose for the 55 gallon tank that's around back. It's the water tank. And there's a valve on it so you can control whenever you're draining it for hand washing, bucket filling, or just to empty your trailer before you travel down the road to reduce the weight on your trailer. As we move around back, this enclosed trailer has the swinging door, so it saves a little bit of space if you're parking curbside. And then of course it's much easier to access everything on your trailer. You don't have to bend over real far while you're standing on the ramp to start your engine or to fill your tanks or anything like that. This one has electric start. This is the 3,000 at 5.5 washer. The battery's just to the side here. The soft wash system, I'll switch sides with you so you can see a little bit better. Soft wash system, 60 PSI, 7 gallon a minute, has the proportioner valve system, flow jet accumulator, the battery charger. On-off is just real easily accessed right here, and then of course the battery charge port is just right here. So you don't have to open up your door, charge your battery, and hook it all up every single night. You just pull up next to whatever 110 volt outlet you have available and plug it in from the exterior of your trailer. Keeps everything locked up and secured so you don't have anything else to worry about. Another thing we did with this proportioner system is this is your water valve, your surfactant valve, and then your bleach valve. And on the bleach valve, we went ahead and put a dipstick assembly on there. So you can pull your bleach with it, or you can take that assembly, drop it down into your water tank, and pull water with it to flush everything out. Or you can take that same dipstick, drop it into your any kind of drums or detergents that you have outside of the trailer that you need to fill inside your trailer with, and you can take the wand or gun assembly on your soft wash and fill your tanks while your dipstick is outside your trailer. So it works as a transfer pump as well. It's super convenient. We really like the way that those ended up working out on this system. So we've also got the protective flooring. Everybody knows how incredibly corrosive bleach is. It eats the wood, it eats the steel. So it has done a tremendous job extending the life of the trailer. Otherwise, we've painted the walls. We have the accessories hanging in here. This unit will be able to demonstrate a bunch of different accessories with. So this is a super common setup for us, and that demo day will give us the opportunity to kind of show it off to everybody. If you're thinking about buying or you're thinking about upgrading, just stop on by. It's Tuesday, July 27th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thanks.